Yes, it's me again.
Yeah,
And I'm back.
TLC on the remix.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a brand that is also black owned and that specializes in lipsticks, also lip gloss, to cater to us dark skins. Okay, can we get it? So now I'm going to show you guys basically the swatches of the different shades that I have. Guys, that is it for the swatches. My thoughts on these lipsticks. My favorite ones were Mented and Dope Taupe and Dark Night. There were only two colors that needed lip liners, but it wasn't, it wasn't anything that I couldn't work with. Also, the lighter colors, you can always use them as like toppers, so you can put lip gloss on top of it and stuff, but yeah, the two colors that I had to use lip liner were Nude Lala and Pretty in Pink. Those were the only two colors that I had to use a lip liner with. But yeah, it feels really comfortable on the lips. These aren't matte, so they are gonna be, transfer a little bit, but they are very moisturizing, very comfortable on the lips, and yeah, they are transferred, but I really like the colors and I really like how it looks on me. And it's black owned, and I really appreciate that there are women out there catering to us as well. And I will leave all the details down below, and you guys go check them out, go support, check out their page and everything. And I love everything about this packaging, by the way. It's so sleek and nice and matte, and I just love it. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.